Guys, it is time for an emergency Bitcoin and Vlaunch Vpad price update because both are actually preparing their next huge breakout, and I found a new chart pattern on the 1 hourly time frame of Bitcoin which is about to break out, and this breakout I will actually use as a new trade opportunity, so if you don't want to miss that, stick around till the very end of the video. Besides that, I would really appreciate it if you could smash up a like here on this video. Let's reach 2,000 likes like we usually do on every single video of mine, and make sure to subscribe, activate the bell next to the subscription button so you don't miss out on any future uploads. And now let's not talk too much, but let's just jump right into the charts. Actually, before I do the Bitcoin analysis, I want to make an analysis on Vlaunch, because as you guys know, Vpad Vlaunch launched yesterday, and in less than 24 hours we are already at $60 million worth of trading volume. This is actually higher on Uniswap than cryptocurrencies like Solana, like Phantom, like Cardano. We have more trading volume in the last 24 hours. Look, for example, on Phemex. If you go down here, go to all spot trading pairs, you can already see that Vlaunch Vpad is actually having the same 24-hour trading volume as Polkadot, more than Luna, more than Solana, more than Matic, more than Chainlink, more than all of these top, more than Ripple, more than all of these top cryptocurrencies, more than Shiba. Vlaunch is at the very top, and guys, it is only because of that we are holding the price so crazily, because as you know, our free IDO allocation that Chris from Crypto and I gave out with Vlaunch Vpad for free for the active community members is now worth over $30 million. And although all of these people can claim 100% of their money, $30 million are just giving away to the community. They are claimbar. The people are actually staking them because they are getting the huge staking rewards. The people are actually wanting to get into CoinWeb, the next project launching through Vlaunch, which will be insane as well. And the only way to get access to CoinWeb before it gets launched on exchanges, same with Vlaunch, you need to stake Vlaunch Vpad. So this is why actually more people are buying than selling, even though $30 million were given out for free to the community. And that's why the price is actually very stable at $1. And now looking even at the charts, guys, we can already see, I made a tweet yesterday, I made an alert to all Vpad bulls. It was at 84 cents. I made a tweet that we have a possible W pattern here happening on the smaller time frames. And what happened right after that, guys? Right after that, actually, we achieved the breakout for this W pattern. As you can see, we broke to the upside and we reached my price target already. As you guys can see, the price target was exactly $1.16, and we reached this price target perfectly. Now Bitcoin is in its Vlaunch Vpad is in its next correction phase, but we can already see that we are definitely forming higher lows, which is for sure a bullish sign. If now the Bitcoin price, which I'm going to show you in a second, can break out bullish to the upside, I personally think that it's even possible that we will form, guys, another, not this small W pattern that I perfectly predicted on Twitter. No, I actually think it's possible that we will form a massive W pattern here on the 15-minute time frame with a breakout or with a neckline at exactly $1.15. So if Vpad Vlaunch is now able to break above this $1.15 area, and I think, like I said, the people that want to sell the Vpad, they are doing it in the first couple of days. So this selling pressure will soon be completely gone of these $30 million free tokens. And as soon as this is gone, I think the price will start climbing quite rapidly. But let's just wait for that. Let's just keep an eye on the Bitcoin price for sure as well, because if Bitcoin dumps heavily, I mean, it's very sure that Vlaunch Vpad will also take a hit, even though everything is looking bullish, especially the volume, which is pretty much for any launch completely unbeatable. Such a volume is just insane. It's just completely insane. It's really unbeatable. But yeah, let's just jump back into the charts now here on the Bitcoin price. Thank you very much for all your support with the with Vpad, with the Vlaunch launch. It was completely insane, guys. I really appreciate it, and the team as well, and Chris from Crypto for sure as well. So yeah, thank you very much for that. But now let's jump into the Bitcoin price. So far, we actually got rejected here on the daily time frame. I showed it to you guys yesterday on the $50,000 level. Now going here to the 4 hourly time frame, we can already see what I'm talking about. I'm actually talking about a potential falling wedge that Bitcoin is now forming that we broke out of our downwards trading channel. And after we broke out of our downwards trading channel, I told you guys we have to expect a little bit more downside, but I actually just scaled up my long position a little bit because me personally, I think this is for sure a bullish continuation pattern, especially with the bullish breakout we just saw of our downtrending channel. So this falling wedge should actually have a higher likelihood or a higher percent to break out here to the upside. And this actually means that we have to expect the Bitcoin price, if we are taking the price target here of the flagpole, by the way, also of this beautiful W pattern that we formed here and that we broke out of and are pretty much now retesting the neckline on, we could be actually looking at a massive price target. Let me check it out here. At a massive price target of $52,000. So we are looking at a price target that is definitely way above the $52,000 level and would even establish a higher high after quite some long time, and we would establish a higher low. So this would be the first very strong signs that a market reversal here is actually possible. So keep an eye on that, guys. And now make sure to check out Vlaunch, guys. Don't miss CoinWeb, which is launching in the next couple of days. The whitelist is already opening today. You need to have Vlaunch Vpad staked to participate in that project. And again, guys, it will be a similar opportunity, in my opinion. It will be a similar opportunity than on Vlaunch Vpad. $30 million given out for free. It's not the same amount with CoinWeb, but it's, again, you just stake the token, you still have your Vpad, you still can sell them, you get even staking rewards, which are insane now in the beginning where not so many people are staking. I mean, it's already 4,000 now after not even a day and over $5 million staked, but still, the staking rewards are insane actually. And on top of that, I mean, you're getting access in the future to a lot of projects again and again. You just have to stake your Vpad one time and maybe then stake a little bit more if you want to, depending on how much money you want to put into these private sale, or not private sale, but IDO allocations that are most of the time held to a token price similar to the private sale. I mean, we listed, for example, Vlaunch at the exact same price than the private sale. Everyone should have had a fair chance to buy so, but for sure in the beginning, everybody just bought market orders. It was completely crazy. But still, we are looking very good, I think, even though we saw a little bit of a correction overnight. Volume is still increasing. It's just insane to see. And like I said, there's a lot of announcements coming throughout now this year on Vlaunch Vpad. This was just the beginning, this is for sure. But guys, I want to thank you, and we're going to see us in the next one. Subscribe, activate the bell. Until then, bye.